you see her constant fighting is tearing us all apart? Let's pick our next hall monitor! Carl Wheezer! Victory is mine! Is mine! Your mother called.
William Shakespeare.
That might be just a little strong for you, Carl.
But soft, not like for yonder wind that breaks. It is the east and Julia is the sun. See how she leans her cheek upon the hand. Oh, that I would glad upon that hand. I might touch that cheek. Inhaler. It provides fast-acting relief of bronchial swelling due to asthma or allergies. One touch of the button and... Good morning to you! Good morning to you!
We're all in our places! We're so
Dollar in my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
I don't! Why are you winking at me? Why did you give me $1? My brain hurts!
Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap.
Slap, slap, slap. Slap, slap, slap.
What?
Thank you, Winifred. This is my revolutionary voltage ponderizer. I converted the Hoskababich to the flux by putting it through the Hooble-Boobler.
What's the square root of a flexnard, huh? That doesn't make any sense.
The square root of a flexnard is a cup full of boogers.
With a few cc's of ethyl mercaptan?
No.
Well, I can work around that. How about some dimercurylsulfonidil?
Yeah. No.
Tritium nitrate?
I've got salt. Gene, you're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Oh, yeah? What's his favorite color?
It's... pie.